Hello students, welcome to our next online lecture for oscillation. In the last lecture, I have explained about the differential equation of linear SHM, how to obtain the differential equation of linear SHM. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to find acceleration, velocity and displacement of a particle performing SHM by using the differential equation of SHM. So for that, first we recall what is the differential equation of linear SHM. Can you tell me the differential equation of linear SHM? That is d2x, or we can say d square x upon dt square plus omega square into x is equal to 0. This is our differential equation of linear SHM. By using this equation, we obtain first the acceleration, then the velocity and then displacement for a particle performing SHM. So, let us first see the acceleration. First we find the acceleration. We can write this equation as d square x upon dt square is equal to minus omega square x. And here we know that, but we can say d square x upon dt square is nothing but the acceleration. This is the acceleration, and that's why we can say the acceleration is equal to minus omega square x. This is our equation for acceleration in SHM, where x is the displacement. Now let us see how to find the velocity. So to find the velocity, we again use the differential equation. From the differential equation, I can write now d square x upon dt square is equal to minus omega square x. This is the second derivative. We can rearrange this equation as d dt of dx upon dt is equal to minus omega square x. But we know that this dx upon dt, that is rate of change of displacement, is nothing but the velocity. So dx upon dt is equal to velocity. We can write this equation as dv upon dt is equal to minus omega square x. Now multiply and divide this equation by the term ds in the numerator and denominator. We can rearrange this equation as dv upon dx into dx upon dt, that is equal to minus omega square x. Now we know dx upon dt is nothing but the velocity. So I can write this equation as v into dv upon dx is equal to minus omega square x. I take this x on this side. So we get the equation v dv is equal to minus omega square x into ds. Now we integrate this equation. We call this equation as 1. Integrating this equation, we can say integrating above equation on both sides, we can write integration v dv is equal to minus omega square is constant, integration x dx. In the mathematics, you can tell me the value of integration x dx, that is x square by 2. Similarly, integration v dv can be written as v square by 2. So we get here v square upon 2 is equal to minus omega square x square upon 2, and we write here some constant of integration, that is c. We call this equation as suppose 2. Now to find c, we find the value of c, that is the constant of integration, and put in this equation 2. For that we consider, let A is the amplitude of SHM. Capital A is the amplitude of SHM. Now you know the meaning of amplitude. Amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement from the mean position. Yes, when the particle is performing SHM on the two sides, the maximum displacement from the mean position, that is called as amplitude of SHM. And at this extreme point, any extreme point, the displacement x becomes a. So we use that extreme condition here. And at this point, the velocity is equal to 0. We use these two conditions to obtain the constant of integration. So I write here at extreme point. What I can write at extreme point? At extreme point, we get v is equal to, velocity is equal to 0 and displacement is the amplitude. We use these two values, v is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. In equation 2, our equation become 0 as v is equal to 0, x is equal to a. So I write here minus omega square a square by 2 plus c. And therefore, I can write the value of c is equal to omega square a square upon 2. Put this value, c is equal to omega square a square by 2 in equation 2. We get the equation v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus, at the place of c, I can put omega square a square upon 2. Now 2 get cancelled. We get here v is equal to, omega square is also common, and in bracket minus x square plus a square, I can write it as a square minus x square. And here v square, v square is equal to omega square a square minus x square. By taking the square root of this equation, v is equal to omega, when we take the square root, and this term is in the square root, a square minus x square. v is equal to omega under root a square minus x square. This is our equation for velocity of particle performing linear SHM. See here, the velocities depend on angular frequency. It also depends on amplitude and displacement. This is the velocity, general equation for velocity at any point in SHM, linear SHM. V is equal to omega under root a square minus x square. We will discuss about the maximum and minimum velocity in the next lecture. So what is the equation for acceleration? From the differential equation of linear SHM, that is a is equal to minus omega square x. And the equation for velocity, v is equal to omega under root a square minus x square. By using the equation, differential equation, we obtain the expression for velocity. And now we obtain the expression for displacement. How to find the displacement? To find the displacement, now we find the displacement. We have first find the acceleration, then we have find the velocity, and now we find the displacement in SHM. For that, again we use the equation. We know that d2x upon dt square is equal to minus omega square x. And we know the equation for velocity, v is equal to omega under root a square minus x square. Just we have obtained by using this equation. At the place of velocity, we know velocity is the rate of change of displacement, dx upon dt. So I can put that value here. dx upon dt is equal to omega under root a square minus x square. Now I take this square root term on this side. I rearrange this equation as dx upon under root a square minus x square is equal to omega dt. Now again integrating this equation, integration dx upon under root of a square minus x square is equal to, I can write here, omega into dt. Here we get the formula sine inverse x upon a. Sorry, here we use the capital A because we have used capital A for amplitude. So we use here the capital A. Now sine inverse x upon A is equal to omega t and plus constant, we use here the constant phi. From this we can say x upon A is equal to sine of omega t plus phi. Now this equation can be written as x is equal to, x is nothing but our displacement, x is equal to A, where A is the amplitude of SHM, into sine omega t plus phi. X is equal to A sine omega t plus phi. This is our equation for displacement in SHM. Thus we have obtained the expression for acceleration, velocity and displacement in SHM. What is our acceleration? The acceleration is equal to minus omega square x. What is the velocity? V is equal to omega plus minus omega under root a square minus x square. And what is the displacement? X is equal to A sine omega t plus phi. Thus we have obtained the expression for acceleration, velocity and displacement in SHM by using the differential equation of SHM. Thank you.